go. Just tight.
Hi guys, Motorcycle Planet here. We've been asked many times of how to insert the chin curtain into the CS15 HJC helmet. So here's a quick demonstration for you. Basically, the chin curtain has a plastic rim and it will be inserted into this space on the chin area of the helmet. So all you have to do is insert the plastic, as you can see me doing here, and you squeeze it into the side and follow around the edge until you get to the other side, and you insert that also, and there you go. Very simple.